In front of me is a Magic V6, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, launch your keyboard and use microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, select this gear one. Click on voice typing and activate it thanks to this switcher. When it's blue, go back to your keyboard and tap on Now Available Microphone. Hit while using the app and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can pause or use the same microphone, like that. Now, what I like to do is tap on my microphone and select tiny icon that appears right next to it. Then after tapping on Next and Done, you can use voice typing from this toolbar. To delete text on the go, use this button with an X. To move your toolbar around, just hold it, drag it, and let go wherever you want to. To manage some available options, click on those three lines on the left. And to go back to standard keyboard, hit keyboard icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!